Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back your own class organized by School of School Malkapur. So students, already exercise 8.2 where I shared the answers of the exercise 8.2. But today we are going to see that how to exactly, if any doubt and any query is there. So I will clear you the some only the concept which are there here. Comparison of ratios. How we can compare it? Very easy as it is. First of all, whenever we have to compare two ratios, that time we have to keep in mind standard sixth SOS. जैसे कि exercise 8.2. Okay, first question is that what is that, which ratio is smaller, 5.6 or 7:9, 5:6 or 7:9? So first of all, what to do, this ratio has to be converted into the fraction. Okay, 5:6 in fraction how, 5/6, and here is what, 7:9 in fraction how, 7/9. Once we now, whenever we converted them both ratios into the fraction, now we have to compare both fractions. Those fraction is greater, that ratio is always greater. Understand? So now here 5/6 and 7/9, these are unlike fractions, so we have to make them convert into the like fraction. As you know that the SCF 6 and 9 is 18. Okay, so we will make them as a HCF as denominator as 18, then we will compare their numerator. So 5/6 is multiplied by 6 3s are 18, 3s are, and the new fraction which come 5 3s are 15/18, and 7/9, 9 2s are 2s are, that is 18, 7 2s are 14. Okay, so 15/18 and 14/18, these are the fraction which comes for that. So 15/18 and 14/18, in that who is greater, this is greater. That's why 15/18 is nothing but it is 5/6, and 5/6 is nothing but 7/9, and therefore 5/5:6 is greater than 7:9, hence proof. Understand what we did? We converted these first answers, we first ratio into the fraction, and fraction we compare into their denominators, and if it is not equal, then make them same as SCF. Finding their SCF, make them denominators equal by equivalent fraction, and then once we get the equivalent fraction, then compare that equivalent fractions. Those fractions are greater, so here numerator is greater, 15/8. That's why this 15/8 is the equivalent fraction of which fraction, 5/6, and 5 means 5:6 ratio is greater than this. Hence you understand it. I hope you understand the things now. So like this, some examples are given and their answers also I shared. Now next is that dividing a number in a given ratio. So see, first of all, these are the word problems are given. For example, here is word problem in what one, Rahim and Karim are two workers cutting a crop rice. Okay, amount of paddy crops cut into the was into 5:3 ratio. Okay, they were paid rupees 360 kg of rice as their labor charge. Okay, how much rice should they have to each of them get? So they are getting how much, 360 of rice they paid, means 360 kg rice they are get as a labor charge. So how much rice they have cut? In obvious that it will settle equal shares, because they have not work equally. They are not equal because they are, his work 5 times, he is 3 times, so togetherly it is 360, that 8 times shares. Okay, so ratio of their parts is 5:3, and the sum of their ratio is 5 plus 3 is 8 times, means 8 times is equals to 360. So we will find out 5/8 of first person share is what, 5/8. Second person share is what, 3/8. We will find out their share out of 360. Okay, in this way we will get their shares. So these are the shortcut formula also for to understand. And it is this is another matter is also, we can consider that their share be 5x and 3x in the algebraic expression. Totals x are the sum amount 5 times and 3 times na, has to be multiplied by common, that is x. So Rahim share is 5x and Karim share is 3x. 5 plus 3 is 8x. So therefore 5 plus 3x is equals to 360. Get the value of x is, that is 45. Therefore 5x is equal to 5 multiply 45, that is 250. And then this is one method and this is one method. There are two methods to understand these questions. Okay, so like that we are solved. For example, see, divide 625 between the Alok, Seema and Alok and Seema into ratio of 2:3. Now how much money has to be shared? Question number 2. What is that? That is, let Alok and Seema, their ratio is what? 2:3. First is Alok, that's what 2 part of Alok, and second is Seema, so 3 parts Seema. So let Alok and Seema, ठीक है, Alok and Seema having the part, okay, that is 2x and 3x, okay, they part here. So therefore what is the equation it forming? 2x plus 3x togetherly it is what? Rupees 625. So let me solve it. 3 plus 2 is 5x is equals to 625. Therefore x is equals to 625 upon 5. 5 is 5, 5 1 is 5, ठीक है, then 125. Therefore x is equals to what? 125. And how we will find out the Alok and Seema's their value? Alok is 2x and Seema is 3x. So Alok is equals to, we'll multiply that. Alok is equals to 2x, that's equals to 2 multiply 125, and Seema is equals to 3x, that's equals to 3 multiply 125, and their value is what? 125 2s are 250, and 125 3s are 5 3s are 15, 5 1 get carry, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, and 3 1s are 3. Okay, so their sum is what? 625. So in this way we will get the answers. I hope you understand it. So like that you have to try to solve. Already answers get given. If any doubt, any queries there, already you are free to contact me. Okay, take care, stay bye, stay home, stay safe.